I got a new group here. It's called the group H, right? H. And then we got that group right here in our pattern mode. I got a new slot. And I've selected this icon here for the sampler, which is the waveform icon. And here we see the sampler section. We got record, we got edit, we got slice, and we got map. I can chop, edit up. Here's the chopping. This is front and back editing. Here's a slicing. I can map it over a keyboard. That's cool, right? Back to record. I can record the internal source. I'll press play. That source right there. That's the internal source. That's from the master. I can choose any one of the groups that's hooked up, that has something on it. I can take that. Okay, I want to put that in. Let's record that. That's a sample. Let's record the master, everything, the overall output from Maschine directly into the sampler. Now I can do this by detecting the sound. For example, I'll press play here, and once it crosses this threshold level, and I control the threshold from here, it crosses that threshold level. Once it crosses that, it starts to sample. It detects, it passed the level, let's sample. And that's threshold sampling. I'll do is press start, and it's waiting. It's just waiting now. I press start, it says waiting, when's it going to come? Is it loud enough? I'm waiting. Okay, enough of that. Cancel. We'll go back here now. We're going to look at sync. Now sync means it's going to, okay, we're going to be in sync. You press play start, I will start sampling. How much do you want? I'll say I might just want 1 bar, free. Maybe 2 bars, 4, 8, 16, or free. Just keep sampling until I decide to stop. Pretty simple. Let's do it. Let's go ahead to 2. We're going to take the master in, and we want to start from the top, and I'll press play, start. 1, 2, 3, stop. It stops. Look, it's sampled that fast. I want to play it back. Here's the playback button icon. Next to that, the phony name it gives you. I have no idea where they get these names from, but hey, it's a bunch of numbers. That's the name of the sample. It appears here. If you want to change it, you click right there a couple times. You can change the number to a real name. Now over here at the other end here, we've got this thing here, which is to delete or open the containing folder to plot extra different samples of you if you want to keep this one. Now that sample appears right there, and I can play it right back, right? I can also, let's say, get something from this kick and snare. I'll go there, and I'll say, let's get that. I'll go to start, it's waiting, play, 1, 2, 3, 4, stop. It stopped. Notice though, here in the bottom, it's collecting the samples. It's collecting them right here. Here's the first sample I had. Here's the second sample I had. All I gotta do is hit it once. You can see it right there. See the waveform view right there? I can play it back, hit the icon. And we've got the name, another name with a different number, another number right there. Not in sequential order, so much so, but it's right there for us to see. And the length of the sample in terms of seconds is right there as well. See that? And of course, we can delete the recording if we want to.